guys, can you believe it's December 11th already? All right, we get to open a gift from our Jenny box. This is so exciting. Okay, oh, day 11. It's tiny. Who knows what it is? Ah, I get excited. Sorry. Again, sometimes these tiny gifts. Oh, this is so cute. So these are woven labels by Minky Kim, and they are the perfect little touch of personalization for your little quilt projects, for bags, for quilts, whatever. You can write your name in on like the made by Natalie. And then there's other cute little characters like sewing notions and flowers. Oh, let's look at some of them. They're so cute. Oh, this is so cute. So it says, beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. There's a little rotary cutter, needle and thread, scissors. These would be adorable on any cute little project that you've got. Ah, I love them. So again, another great gift from Missouri Star and the Jenny box. Have a happy Christmas.